What's the deal with code P0014? This code means your engine's camshaft, the spinning stick that helps your engine breathe in and out, is acting like it had too much coffee. It's moving ahead of where it's supposed to be. The engine computer is like, hey, you're opening the valves too early. Chill out. Basically, the part that adjusts your camshaft's timing is letting it advance too far, and the engine doesn't like that. What symptoms you might notice? Check engine light is shining like a spotlight. Rough idle, like the engine is coughing. Poor fuel mileage. Weak acceleration. Rattling noise from the engine area. Sometimes the car runs totally fine, but the light's still there. What causes this camshaft drama? Dirty or sludged up engine oil. The system that controls timing relies on oil pressure. Dirty oil can clog it up, and suddenly things don't move right. Bad timing control valve, aka the thing that adjusts the cam. This little valve uses oil pressure to move the camshaft. If it's stuck, dirty, or just broken, it can throw off the timing. Low or old oil. If you're running low on oil or using the wrong type, the engine can't properly adjust the timing. It's like trying to lift weights without enough energy. Wiring or connector problems. A loose wire or crusty plug going to that timing control valve can mess up the signal. Jumped timing chain or belt. If the timing chain stretched or slipped, everything could be out of sync. The engine computer's a little confused. Rare, but sometimes the computer misreads things or needs a reprogram. How to fix this without losing your cool? Step 1, check your oil. Sounds too easy? That's because it often is. Check the oil level and make sure it's not black and gritty. If it looks rough, do an oil change with the exact type your engine loves. Step 2, inspect the timing control valve. Find the oil control valve for the exhaust cam, usually on the engine near the camshaft. Unplug it and check the connector. If it's full of gunk or oil, clean it up. Some people even remove the valve and clean the little mesh filter if it's clogged. Step 3, replace the valve if needed. If cleaning didn't help and the valve is acting stuck, go ahead and replace it. It's usually held by one bolt and plugs right in. Not expensive and not hard to swap. Step 4, check for wire or connector issues. Follow the wiring from the valve back toward the engine harness. Make sure nothing is frayed, pinched, or unplugged. Step 5, scan and clear the code. Once you've handled the issue, clear the code with a diagnostic tool and take the car for a drive. If it doesn't come back, boom, you did it.